Hi, happy you're back. Ready to learn tutorial 2? Here we go. Tutorial 2 for Son of Suffering. First line, and some imagine you. We're going to go to the word some. For some, take your left non-dominant hand, palm up, or your non-dominant hand if you're left-handed. I'm right-handed. Then I take my dominant hand, and it's like making a slice. I'm going to share something with you. Some. Some imagine. For imagine, take your eye signs, your pinkies, okay? And with your dominant hand, touch your forehead and then swirl both of them around. Imagine. Touch, swirl. Imagine. You. And we're going to point up to heaven, to the Lord. So let's do that line. Some imagine you. Next line, are distant and removed. For distant, thumbs up. Take your dominant thumb, place on your non-dominant, and stretch it out far away. Distant. Next word, removed. Take your non-dominant hand, your palm is up. My dominant hand is my action hand, okay? Close the fist and put it on top. It's as if I have gathered everything in my dominant hand, and now I'm going to take it and remove it. So we start out with a closed fist, and we're going to take it away and remove it. So that line is are distant and removed. So let's do that. Dominant thumb touches non-dominant, distant and removed. Next line, but you chased us down in merciful pursuit. Make an X and go out. This is like but, except, okay? But you, pointing up toward heaven, chased, thumbs up. For chased, you take your dominant thumb, and it's like you are running after your non-dominant thumb. So my right thumb is chasing my left thumb. This is the same sign for running. Run, running, chased, kind of a fun sign. But you chased us. Make a U. I put my U on my right shoulder. Go out to my left. Us. Us. But you chased us down in. My non-dominant hand has the cup. My dominant hand goes inside. In. In merciful. For merciful, you take your middle fingers and you bend them down a little bit. And we are going to go out like the Lord is placing mercy on us, okay? Mercy. Mercy. But you chased us down in merciful pursuit. To the sinner, next line, to the sinner you were grace. For two, take your pointer fingers, place your dominant, your active hand on your non-dominant finger. Two. To sinners. For sinners, take your X's, your hooked fingers, okay, and start a little bit higher and go 1, 2. That's sin. 1, 2. Now for person, Our hands are side by side, like it's sliding down a box, okay? So a sinning person is a sinner. I've seen it like this, but sometimes it's just like this. And I've practiced it in the song, so it's okay to start a little higher. 1, 2, and then person, okay? Sinner. To the sinner, you were grace. Now for grace, our fingers are going to point toward us, okay? For mercy, they were out with the middle finger out, okay? God gives us mercy. He shows mercy. And grace, it's like it's coming from heaven upon us. He has given us grace. So wiggle your fingers as they're coming to you. Grace. I love that sign. So to the sinner, you were grace. Let's do that line. To the sinner, you were grace. Thank the Lord. And the broken you embrace. For and with your dominant action hand, it's like Pac-Man, go in front of your left shoulder or the other shoulder. And it's like you chomp and pull. And the broken, 2 fists out front, and you break. It's like imagine you have a stick in your hand and you just break it, okay? And the broken, you, the Lord, embraced. Give yourself a hug. Embraced. Again. And the broken, you embrace. And it's good to show emotional faces when you use sign language. That way someone that is interpreting it gets the correct feelings transferred, okay? When you're happy, you're happy, and when you're sad, you're sad, okay? And when you're asking a question, your eyebrows are concerningly down, okay? Here we go. And in the end, the proof is in your wounds. We're going to say, in the end. For the end, take your non-dominant hand and have it straight out. And with your dominant hand, go to the end, and it's like slicing the very end. I have seen it like this. I've also seen it with pinkies. It's going to be the easiest just to slice the end with your dominant hand slicing the non-dominant. And it's the end right there, okay? End. And in the end, the proof. For proof, your hands are in front of you, and you take your dominant hand and you lay it out like you're showing proof. Proof. In the end, the proof is in your wounds. So we're going to go in your flat hand possessive, your, and then for wounds, take your pointer fingers, and this can be for pain also, but put them together and twist and have those eyebrows down. Wounds. I slipped. Wounds. Okay? Wounds. Hurts. Pains. Okay? Wounds. And in the end, the proof is in your wounds. Twist. And then yes, in the end, the proof is in your wounds. Yes, in the end. The proof is in your wounds. Then it says, your cross, my freedom. So this is my dominant hand, my right dominant hand. Your, for cross, see how my hand is like a C? Okay, we start at the top, we go down, and when we cross, we go toward our chest and then out. So down and then out, cross. So your cross, my flat hand, my freedom. Make F's. Index is on the thumb. Okay. And then we're going to go freedom. Freedom. My freedom. And then the next line, your stripes, my healing. So your, and for stripes, make hooks. And we're going to go across our chest and midsection, stripes. Okay, stripes. It's a scar. Stripes. Your stripes, my healing. For healing, take your hands around your chest area, and then it's like you pull it out. My healing. You're taking all the sickness away from me. My healing. You can kind of put it between your chest and your shoulders. Healing. Healing. Take the sickness away from me. Take the sin away from me. My healing. So your stripes, my healing. Next line. All praise King Jesus. All, your right dominant hand is on top, palm out, scoop around behind the other hand. All praise. Clap twice. 1, 2. So all praise King Jesus. With my right dominant hand, I make a K, place it on my left shoulder, and I go down to my waist. King. All praise King Jesus. My right dominant hand starts, and I put it in the center of my non-dominant, like the scars on Jesus's hands, and do the same thing with the non-dominant. Middle finger in the center of the other palm. Jesus. Middle fingers. Jesus. Okay? So, all praise King Jesus. Glory to God in heaven. Left non-dominant, palm up. Take your middle finger and then wiggle your fingers. Most of the time when I'm signing glory, it goes all the way around. Glory, and the song, has time to do that. With this song, it says glory to God. And so what we're going to do is we're going to do glory, and then when we get above our head, we're going to turn it into the B sign and go right down the middle of our face for God, because it's very quick. So glory to God. And then it says in heaven. We do not have time to make the end sign. We go straight to heaven. So we roll our hands up and make a platform. So let's do that. Glory to God in heaven. Next line. Your blood still speaks. So your, and for blood, we've done this, but take your non-dominant hand, knuckles out, and with your dominant hand, action hand, wiggle your fingers and trickle down. Blood. So your blood, and for still, take your thumbs, put them together, and push out. Like it's continuing. Still speaks. Your pointer finger toward your mouth and go out. Speaks. Speaks the truth too. Okay, so your blood still speaks. Now it's your love still reaching. So your, and for love, love, your love comes together, still, and just reach out your hands, reaching. Okay? All praise King Jesus. Right hand on top, top hand palm out, scoop around to the back of the other one. So all praise King. I've got my K, left shoulder to the waist. King Jesus. Start with your dominant hand. Middle finger in the center of the palm. Jesus. Glory to God forever. So here's glory again. My dominant hand, middle finger in the palm of the other one. Wiggle your fingers. Glory to God. Now it says forever. So that right dominant hand, always and forever. Push out with a Y. My knuckles are out, okay? Small circle, Y, push out. And that's it. You just need to really practice, and during the song, and we'll have to, I'll have to get with the music director as far as how many times they will sing the chorus, because these are all the words and signs that we need to know, but they actually sing that chorus like 3 times as far as the music video that we're watching. So we'll have to figure out what the choir is going to do at our church. But you have all the words to start practicing. Our next video will be the music video, so please practice. We have 3 or 4 songs to learn, so we're going to have to practice more than usual and have fun doing so. And next time we'll do it with music. Bye.